to my channel. This is Casey on your screen. And for those new in my channel, welcome to my channel. It's time now for you to subscribe down below and click the bell button. Some of you are asking what I really usually use when I take vlogs and where did it came from. Is it affordable for you as a new vlogger? If you want to know what I am using right now, especially the mic that I am using, so just keep on watching and I will show it to you. Now here the things that I bought in a very affordable price. You can start taking your videos and having good audio when doing your covers or any vlogs that you want. So sa mga magsa-start pa lang dyan or nagpaplano pa lang na gumawa ng sarili nilang YouTube channel, so this is the time for you to become informed what are we going to use when we take our vlogs in an affordable price. So, kasi sa mga panahon ngayon, ang gusto mag-start mag-vlogs ay yung mga students. This time, I'm gonna let you know and I'm gonna show to you what I use in making vlogs. Isa sa mga ginagamit ko ngayon ay ang uso ng mga ginagamit din ng vlogger, ang Gorilla tripod. Now, I'm using my Gorilla tripod and I'll show it to you. And now guys, here's my Gorilla tripod. I bought this at Shopee. Nabili ko siya sa Shopee. And ilang buwan na siya sa akin? Mga 8 months na siya sa akin. So, nung nag-start ako mag-vlog, eto na yung ginagamit ko. Flexible siya. Gorilla flexible tripod. You can put it down like this, like that. And meron na siyang kasamang phone holder. So, yung store na nabilhan ko nito ay have.ph. So guys, I'll put those store na mga nabilhan ko ng mga items ko sa Shopee. So, ilalagay ko siya sa description box below. Then, for you, para makuha nyo yung link and you can order on them. So, the second one that I bought is, ito yung box niya. The AirPods or the wireless earpods. So, may kasama na siyang charger. Yan. May kasama na siyang charger. So, I choose the color pink. The pink, is this pink? The pink one. Yan. Meron na siya sa loob. So, those. And I bought this in store. The name is, let me see the name. The Happy DSD. It cost $199. In just $199, I'm still using this one. It's about siguro 2 months na to sa akin. Then yung Gorilla tripod pala na pinakita ko sa inyo kanina, the cost is 104 pesos only. Then meron pa ako guys na bili because I do usually use natural light when I take my video. Sabi nga, mas maganda daw yung natural light lang kapag nagtitake ka ng videos or nag-video ka kasi lumalabas yung natural na itsura. So, I decided not to buy for now yung ring light na very big. So, I decided to buy this one then. But, kasabay siya na aking Gorilla tripod and maganda siya guys. May kasama na din siyang charger. May cord na din siya. So, I'll show to you the ring light that I have. Actually, ayan. This one, hindi ko pa siya ginagamit ngayon kasi I'm just using natural lightning. So, ayan. Ayan. Simple lang siya. Ito nga yung ring light. Selfie ring light lang to. Pero, it really helps. 99 pesos lang siya. Nabili ko siya sa Shopee. Ang pangalan ng store is babymust have. So, lahat naman ng mga binili ko, makikita nyo siya sa description box below. And I will put the link. And you will be the one to check. Yan. Yung mga nabili ko, i-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo ba. Kasi, I'm just recommending this. And the next one, ito na nga yung pinakauna kong mic na binili. It's wireless. Ayan. Nagulat ako when I'm scrolling, I saw this one. I bought this at have.ph. I bought this for about 97 pesos. 97 pesos lang dati. Kung napanood nyo yung mga vlog ko dati nung nagsisimula pa lang ako, masyado siyang maganda din yung sound niya. Because I'm doing travel vlogs before, ayoko nung may wire kasi masyadong sagabal pag naglalakad ka, you're doing something or hawak mo yung camera. So by the way, I'm just using my phone and taking my vlogs and taking my videos. I'm just using my phone. I'm not using any camera because as of now, I'm still a student and I can't afford to buy camera pa. So I'm still using this one naman, but for outdoors. I prefer this to use for outdoors na mga vlogs. Katulad ng travel vlogs ko. Hindi pa kasi maka-travel ngayon kasi dahil may COVID, gano'n. I just buy this 97 pesos at have.ph. Have.ph siya ay wireless microphone for smartphones. Sa cellphone lang to, doon na sa sinasaksakan ng earphones, isasaksak natin. Kaya din siya sa Android, sa iOS, like that. Sa mga iPhone, pwede din siya. At dahil nga nag-upload din ako ng mga covers ko, naisipan ko bumili ng mic or lapel microphone in which, eto siya. Yan. Ginagamit ko siya ngayon, nakasaksak siya sa aking phone. And later we will try kapag wala ito kung ano yung sound. Mas maganda ba na may ganito. So, this one is from the store immortalsearch.ph and it cost 80 pesos. In just 80 pesos, you will be having the microphone. Good for covers, kapag nag-take kayo ng covers. And eto ngang mic na to, ang ginamit ko nung nag-take ako ng vlog ko na ASMR. So, yan. Yan. Let's hear this one. Yan. Very sensitive siya sa mga sounds. So, this is better and this one is very good when we took our vlog or our video doing our ASMR. It has, meron siya ng parang sponge. This one, the sponge. And meron siyang clip. This one. You can clip it here like this. Oh, 'di ba? Para pag lumabas ka din, hindi siya malalaglag-laglag pag nag-covers ka. Ay pag nag-cover ka. Then meron daw tong mobile mic eh. Mobile mic, nandun siya sa may saksakan sa phone malapit. Nandun yung mobile mic niya. So, mobile mic niya nandun sa may saksakan. So, let us try by removing this in my phone kung alin mas maganda, kung alin mas better gamitin, yung mic ba ng phone ko or with lapel mic. So this time, I'm taking my vlog without this lapel. So naririnig nyo naman kung ano yung difference ng sound. The difference, let us differentiate. Wow, differentiate the sound. The audio is a main important part of your vlog because hindi nila papakinggan yun kung hindi nila naiintindihan masyado kung anong sinasabi mo. So, I'll put this back. So, ayun na nga. Binalik ko na yung mic kasi it's better to have mic on it. So, I'm gonna share you the two last thing that I bought in Shopee. Dahil nagko-cover ako, this one is very affordable. Hulaan nyo kung saan. Sa finger siya nilalagay when I play guitar. So, kasi nagkakaroon ka ng mga kalyo dito kasi kakagitara at sobrang hapdi niya kapag matagal ka nang hindi na gitara tapos gagamitin mo ulit yung gitara na hindi na sanay yung kamay mo. Sobrang sakit sa dulo. So, this one is guitar finger protector. This one is called finger protector. Guitar finger protector siya. Eto, so, dito ko siya nilalagay when I play guitar. So, I only bought 4 pieces kasi ito lang yung madalas na ginagamit. And the 4 pieces is for my cousin. Nabili ko siya sa store na Rock and Shop. Rock and Shop. Thank you! Rock and Shop. This is just 12 pesos each. So the last thing that I bought in Rock and Shop is bago pa lang, kakarating niya lang kahapon. Let us open this one. Hindi ko pa siya nakikita kung maayos ba. Ay, ang hirap na buksan. Kung maayos ba yung nabili ko. Naputol kasi yung string. Naputol kasi yung string ng gitara ko. Yung black. Oh my gosh. What's this? Ito siya. Legit naman pala yung nabili ko eh. Ayan. Sa acoustic guitar string. Ayan. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys like my video. I wanna give shout out sa mga friends ko na tumutulong sa akin. So, I wanna give shout out to Chris and Joy Ligaya, her nanny Arcelia, and support her new channel. Support her channel. Then, shout out kay Ellie Sach. Ellie Sach is my friend, a vlogger. Support her. And I wanna shout out Kuya EA Peñaflor, my cousin. Then Joshua Camson, shout out. And I wanna give shout out Ederlyn Medjavilla and Pauline Ann Ceres. So shout out guys, and do subscribe to my two friend, her nanny and Elisach. That's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys like my video. Sana nakatulong ako kung gusto niyo mag-start ng sarili nyong YouTube channel, and kung gusto nyo mag-create ng mga videos and anything that can really help my tips for you. This is the end of my vlog, and always remember the 4 important words in life: love, honesty, truth, and respect. So that's it for today's vlog. Hope you guys liked my video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe for more upcoming videos. See you when I see you. Bye bye. Love ya.